everybody, in this video I want to show you guys how to make a super cute little flower, and you can attach it to you almost anything, and it's just a super quick, so to begin, I'm going to say something. First of all, I'm gonna say this is a easy hook. By the way, you are going to need a pair of scissors also. So now let's get started to make a video. First of all, we have to make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, you can do like this, or you can make a magic ring. Whatever you can do, just make a magic ring, or you can make a slip knot. So I'm going to make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to make double crochet into the last chain. This is the last chain. It should be easy, or it should be very flexible, loose. Yeah, it can be loose. So make a double crochet 1 time, and again make a double crochet 2 times. So into the same circle, I'm going to make a slip knot. And I'm going to make chain 2 for next petals. 1, 2. So now we are going to make same thing. I'm going to make double crochets. 1, 1, and 2 double crochets. Again, we are going to make slip knot into the same circle. So now I'm going to make same thing. 1, 2. So 2 petals. We are going to make 5 petals. Again, make a double crochets. 1, 2, and we are going to make slip knot into the same circle, and again chain 2, 1, 2. Again, we are going to make double crochets into the same circle. 1 and 2. Again, make a slip knot, chain 2. We make 4 petals, and now we are going to make 5 petals, and this is one of the last petals. Again, double crochets. We are going to keep it tight. 1 double crochets and 2 double crochets. So I'm in the last petals. I'm going to make slip knot and cut the end. So we need a scissors to make this flower. Just cut down and keep tight. And I'm going to tie this one also, so it's look like a flower. If we tie this, it looks so cute. Or you can see here, I make the flower. It looks so cute. And you know what, like if you want to attach this flower into the hat or baby shoes or something, bag, you know, bags, yeah, you can attach there. So thank you so much for watching my video.